right now. So I recommend you to buy like this type. Hi guys, good morning. We just woke up. Soon after Christmas, there's Boxing Day, that is on the 26th of December. So we are late today. We have to go for some shopping. वैसे बहुत कुछ shopping नहीं करनी है, but yeah, I want to experience what is Boxing Day over here in Australia because US में तो US नहीं, I guess Canada और US बहुत चलता है ये Boxing Day. यहाँ पर भी मैंने सुना है they come at night, like midnight and all. They sleep in the mall. लाइन ऑलरेडी लगा लेते हैं. सो इट्स व्हाट्स द टाइम राइट नाउ? इट्स 9 o'clock. ओह माय गॉड, एंड वी जस्ट वोक अप. इट्स 9 o'clock. आई एम श्योर बहुत भीड़ होगी, बट स्टिल नॉट श्योर बिकॉज एक क्लस्टर मिला था फ्यू डेज बैक इन द CBD एरिया. सो थोड़ा रिस्ट्रिक्शंस डाले हैं प्रीमियर ने. सो व्हाट आर वी गोइंग टू शॉप? आई एम गोइंग टू शॉप वन important thing and which is super essential here. We have not yet purchased, and if you have watched my videos you will come to know what is that thing. So guys, are you following me on Instagram? I am also active on Instagram and I post small clips there as well about my family and what I do and what I love. There are so many things, so you can check it out. So we are going to buy something very important and I hope we get it at a discounted rate. Boxing Day you get everything, most of the things you get in discount, almost like 50% off, 70% off, and branded shoes, but बहुत कम rate में मिलता है shoes and clothes and all. This is what I've heard. We have waited since long to buy that product because we thought अभी नहीं खर्चा करना है, and it's a little expensive. We'll wait for the Boxing Day so that the prices they come down. So finally it's the day. I guess I have already brushed, breakfast करना है, and then I'll get ready and then we'll go for shopping. Let's go.
Many cars going in.
Yeah. We need to wear our masks. Nice shirts. It's not that crowded because of the situation that is going on currently. Maybe because of that.
People are going to CBD.
Yeah. But even this shopping center is one of the popular shopping center. People must be going to the CBD actually. It will be crowded there. Let's go to H&M. Look at the line at Glassons, and look at the girls how they're shopping. Just jeans. Going to H&M. Kids section. This is all men's. Down. Men's section. You want to see? लड़के शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं. हमारा भी लड़का सोच रहा है शॉपिंग करने. We are so obsessed with suits now. $49.
This is only blazer.
This won't last long.
This won't be.
H&M is like fast fashion. H&M and Zara.
I know.
So इनका थोड़ा जल्दी खराब होते हैं कपड़े. थोड़े जल्दी खराब होते हैं. But I like the fashion sense. It's basically fast fashion brand. $14 for shorts. $14 whole pack. 6-7
बहुत जल्दी
pieces.
खराब हो जाएंगे.
This is so cool. So we're going down women's section.
ये क्यों?
$30. I'm just checking out for a dress. Cotton.
Your Diwali gift.
I'm just telling you a rough price. $25 approx. $30. $40 for blazer.
Office wear.
Formal tops, $25. $40. सब कुछ $30 plus का है यहाँ पे. This is trending right now. Such skirts. $49-$50 का है ये. $14. Leggings.
इसे स्टाइल के लिए है, इससे कुछ होने नहीं वाला.
This was in trend, I guess, last year. There's a bear jacket. Nice, right?
Bye.
Oh God.
How much?
All my things are so expensive, Akash. Whatever I like. So I didn't buy anything in H&M. Everything was so expensive, whatever I liked. So I decided not to just spend money. For Boxing Day, you should definitely visit DFO, that is Direct Factory Outlet, where you get a lot of discount. Visit high-end brands such as Dior, Chanel, Louis Vuitton and all. And also if you feel the need to buy cosmetics, definitely visit Sephora, where you get a lot of discount. Actually हमें कुछ ज़्यादा शॉपिंग करनी थी नहीं, मैं तो सिर्फ आपको दिखाने यहाँ पे आई थी. $10 for $7. One meal prices of $34. हमें सिर्फ एक ही चीज लानी थी, वो आप एंड ऑफ द वीडियो देख सकते हो. ऑपोजिट साइड ओनली वी गॉट टू सी वन मोर ब्रांड दैट इज कॉटन ऑन. प्राइसेस बहुत कम थे देन H&M, सो वी एंटर दैट स्टोर जस्ट टू शो यू गाइज एंड आई ट्राइड अ फ्यू 1 or 2 आउटफिट. Yeah, we're good. How are you?
Yeah, good.
This is so cheap. 25. नहीं यार, मज़ा नहीं आया. इट्स नॉट दैट ग्रेट. तो हमें जाना है इधर हियर बैकपैक और एल्स काठमांडू, जो कि यहाँ पे है, where you get nice winter jackets and they are a little expensive but it's worth buying for winters. First we'll go to Kathmandu and check it out. What offers do they have today?
The blue tag, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Thank you. So ये है girls section, women's section. I mean, we want something like this, right?
Good price.
This is $249. And what is this? Sale price. And because of boxing, it is $119. There's a red one also. How's the red one? But we need to see how much can we survive in this jacket. I like this color. I liked it. Blue one also. Even this looks good, no? This color. This is not on sale. Oh, nice. This jacket. It is? Oh yeah, I don't see it. Yeah, I guess we should ask them.
Should be fine. Yeah, should be absolutely fine.
These are what feathers are inside?
Yeah, so they're down, they're duck feathers, and they've got, so pretty much like that's what provides the warmth. The thing is, you have to keep in mind that if it gets wet, the feathers they come together and they don't actually provide that warmth.
Okay.
So you just got to keep them away from rain, basically.
Okay, yeah.
But yeah.
Thank you.
Okay,
Yeah.
No worries.
So hood is better, no, Akash? I feel hood. Yeah. Will it protect your ears, no? I feel hooded is better, Akash. And this is one-time investment. Now we'll check the other brand, what price they're selling for, and then we'll decide.
कुछ नहीं. Let's go.
Yeah, we'll see the other store and come. Okay, we are going now here at Backpack, which is Kathmandu's competitive. So let's check out the jackets here. Oh, there's nobody here. 110.
Yeah.
Proper winter jacket.
Yeah. For Bella, this one is one of our most popular jackets because it's versatile enough for your life. So this is our lightest range in terms of puffer jackets.
Okay.
When you say lighter, what do you mean by that? I mean,
Lighter, it's lighter by weight, lighter by warmth.
Okay.
It has less down inside.
okay.
Okay.
So warmth rating wise, it's gonna be, this is the lightest one, this is mid-range, and something like that over there would be on the one of the warmest size. It has 650 loft rating, but it has less than 100 grams of down inside.
Okay.
Whereas this is 600 loft, a little bit lower in loft rating, but it has so
You
much
mean the
more
filling,
down.
right? The filling,
It's
the
the
feathers.
quality of the feather.
Okay, quality of the feather.
It also measures the volume that the feather occupies. So the higher the volume, of course, the more warmth it can retain.
Okay.
So it's something you would have to look at.
Okay.
So those are the two couple of things that you usually want to look at when you're browsing the down jacket. So ask for the loft rating and ask for the feel weight.
Thank you so much for all the information.
No worries. Also, just letting you know, we're doing additional 10% off on clearance items. So that
This thing is called as fleece. What we already have. This was $75.
could have bought
हमने
this
भी
one, no?
$70 में लाया था last time.
No,
Akash.
50 ounces.
50? Okay, $50.
You could have bought this one. no?
Yeah, it's better to buy a zip wala, like a full zip wala fleece, because it is convenient like to remove, and you know you can just keep it open if you're feeling hot. But हमने जो लाया, that is like it's without the zip. It is still, Akash at least has still here. Yeah, both have till here only the zip. It's like a t-shirt only what we have. So I recommend you to buy like this type. If you don't feel too cold, like after winters you can wear this jacket, but during winters this will protect you, but not that much. You need to buy something like this. So this is women's section of MacPack for 120. Oh, I like this color. So Akash is trying. Let's see if the size fits him. I feel it's a little loose.
That's fine.
एक size बड़ा है आकाश. It's too big for me. It's not big. It's like size 16. I'm not size 16.
Yeah.
It's too big for me. There's no other size in clearance.
How is it?
So size 12. Black is good or green is good. Finally we are done. We both got black only. So there's 50% off, right, on this? Oh, we got a fresh piece. There's somewhat line here. We're waiting in the line. कितना ये किया है ना? And half price, ये वो whatever. So much banners and all, they have put inside. Yeah, we're buying WD का hard disk. There's a lot of data that I have, especially my videos that I'm creating for you guys. I need some storage. Hope we get a good deal. Oh, it's our turn to go inside. Come, Akash. You alright? Hard disk? Power bands. No, it's a power band. GoPro for $499. What this thing is here?
Amazon is giving you $90.
It is saying Boxing Day deal online. And over here in store it is $409. So unfortunately guys, hard drives are not on sale. This guess we'll have to buy it online only. I want to buy this once. 30% off.
$49.
Oh, look at this TV, so flat.
So पहले online पे ही देख रहे हैं.
Online पहले दिख रहे हैं सब लोग. I'm going to buy this vacuum cleaner Dyson. It is for $499. So we got a good deal online to buy a hard drive. So Akash is buying right now. Yes, it will be valid only for today because it is Boxing Day deal. Guys, it's almost 12 o'clock and look how crowded it is now. And there are lines everywhere. Oh my god.
Finally we are home.
Yeah, finally we are home. मुश्किल से मुझे कुछ अच्छा लगा, but then I saw the line at the billing counter and I thought कि जाने दो, I won't buy that top. We have a full life left for shopping. This is not the end. There are so many Boxing Days that we're going to witness every year. So yeah, so मैंने छोड़ दिया वो top because वो line तो काफी बड़ी थी line, and just for 1 or 2 tops, I don't think I'd be like I didn't want to waste time there. की वजह से you wanted to come home, Akash? We'll be having lunch now. Finally हमने देख लिया Boxing Day क्या होता है exactly. We knew like what is exactly Boxing Day, पर ऐसे देखना था. Wanted to have that feel and experience about Boxing Day. कुछ ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं था because of the whole current situation that is going on. Maybe because of that it was less crowded. पर भीड़ थी. There were lines. It was very tempting, you know, बहुत tempt होता है to buy all those clothes and this and that, many things. But you should know where should you stop, where should you ignore things. So I think you should have control over yourself. So overall it was a good experience. Shopping किया ही नहीं देखो. Just जरूरी important things only we purchased today. Huh? What? If you guys are from Australia and watching this video, let me know in the comment box which are the popular brands here in Australia. I was looking for something in cottons, floral dresses and good t-shirts. Guys, and one more tip. Whenever you purchase a jacket, like a down jacket, always buy like one size big or whatever, 2 size big, whatever you're comfortable with. But buy a size bigger because if it is too cold, you can layer and wear this jacket over it. So we got 2 jackets from Macpac for winters ki tayari. Original price of Akash's jacket was $319.99 and after discount it was for $160. My hooded jacket was for $299.99, matlab $300, and after discount it came to $150. So that's all we shopped and the grand total was $310. It's spicy. Guys, आज बहुत late हुआ. Thought of taking a parcel at home. हमने Oporto से ये burger लाया है. If you want to try the best burger here in Australia, like chicken burger, you should definitely visit Oporto. What we are having right now is double Oprego. बहुत messy दिख रहा है, but it's very yummy, guys. I wanted it to be a little spicy, so I have chosen even Extremo sauce in this, and it tastes yummy. I hope you enjoyed this video, Boxing Day special video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and thank you for watching. Till then, bye.